Here with.
Ben Rosenzweig, President, Triestina Calcio.
So, President, can you tell us about the future goals for the Triestina club?
We're here to win. I mean, this is Italian football. The most important thing is winning matches and then improving your category. We believe that Trieste is not a Serie C city. When you look at the stadium that we have here, the financial wherewithal of the city, the club, the region, we are here to bring a higher quality of football to Trieste.
We're here with.
Ryan El Azraq.
Where do you come from?
I'm from Amsterdam. Origin, I'm from Morocco, but I grew up in Amsterdam.
How big is the excitement today for the presentation of the new Triestina club?
Yeah, very excited because I like the city, I like the club, and I like the supporters and everything. And today you see it's a beautiful day with the big stadium and all the people here. So
We're here with
Keller Roos.
goalkeeper of the new Triestina club. Is that right?
Yes, that's right, yeah.
So what are your emotions today at this new presentation of the Triestina club? How are you feeling today?
Yeah, I feel very good. I think for obviously the new boys, it's a very nice way to get to know the fans and the people that follow the club. And obviously football is all about that, about passion, about trying to do it together. So yeah, it feels amazing.